Hello and welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson, we're going to be looking at how you can now select your benchmark. So essentially, whichever pair you selected as your pair of choice, maybe for example within the major pairs, for example maybe between Euro USD, Pound USD or something of the sort, you can say that USD, or rather in Euro USD, you have the USD as the quote currency. So that USD, that's the one now we want to measure in line with now the Euro USD as the benchmark. So for example, for Euro USD, that will be now dollar index. So dollar index will be a benchmark to see if now Euro USD is going higher. We want to see dollar index going the opposite side because we have USD on the as the quote currency. So essentially, if Euro USD is going higher, then it means dollar index will be going lower at the same time, and we can now measure between the two, and maybe it will aid us actually in our setups and in our analysis. So essentially, to add your benchmark, you want your benchmark now as the second symbol in your watch list, and you'll just now have two symbols in your watch list. The Euro USD is what you're trading, and the benchmark is just a measure of how now you're going to be trading Euro USD. So I'll look for dollar index, which is now called DXY also, and I'll select maybe TVC as my data. So I'll put the benchmark as the first pair, and then we have the currency pair that we already chose as the second one. So you can see if for instance at this time when dollar index is going higher, if we look at Euro USD, at the same time it is going lower. So that's why you want to measure the dollar index versus the Euro USD, because now when the dollar is going high, you want to measure also, are we getting that response on the Euro USD on the opposing side now. But now if you have maybe for example if you choose something like USD JPY or even USD CAD or something of the sort, so let's just go with this JPY. Maybe if I choose forex.com, so if you can see, if I look at dollar index, you can see if it is going higher, potentially you want to see also USD JPY going higher at the same time, because the base currency is now USD. Essentially, that's how you use your benchmark to now evaluate. So essentially, if you're expecting your USD JPY to be going higher, then the dollar index should also be going higher, and the measurement should also indicate that both of them are going higher. So that's how you can now select your benchmark, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching.